Hey guys, it's Greg from GWA Auto Parts, and today we're going to go over the AA Ignition IPR socket tool screen kit. Now this kit is for the Ford Powerstroke engine with the 6.0 diesel, which comes in the 2002 to 2010 F250, F350, F450, and some of the E-Series trucks. So let's take a look at the kit here. So when you get the kit, you'll notice that there's a bag inside of the socket, and this bag is going to include the actual IPR screen as well as the 3 O-rings. Now if we take a look at the socket is actually going to be used to take the actual IPR, which is the injector pressure regulator valve, off. So this is a specially designed socket, you can see here with the cutout, that will go onto the IPR valve on the truck. You can put your 3/8 drive ratchet in there, and you can go ahead, loosen the IPR valve, take it off, and replace the screen as well as the O-rings, and then reinstall it. It's a pretty straightforward kit. If you guys need a copy of the factory repair manual that goes over the procedure, please feel free to send us a message, and we'll be glad to supply you with a copy of the factory repair manual.